Hi, good morning from Kochi, Kerala. If you're joining us for the first time, we are Two Roving Hearts. I am a blogger, and along with me is my wife Jasalicious. We're a Mumbai-based couple who decided to vlog our travels, and we would love it if you be a part of this journey of ours. Yesterday was day 2. We went to the backwaters in Alleppey, and boy, was that a good time. Today is another exciting day. We are going to where are we going to? We are going to Periyar, and we can't wait to get there and show you what it's like.
We have just stopped for breakfast on the way to Thekri to Periyar, and we have stopped at this local restaurant. We've ordered a traditional Kerala appam with veg stew. It's absolutely delicious. The appams are soft and so fluffy and so light. The stew has an array of vegetables and pulses in it. You can taste the distinct and fresh peppery flavor. You can taste all the spices. Very well balanced. Got a little bit of coconutty flavor there. And of course we have our coffee. Can't start the day without coffee.
So we are at Periyar Tiger Reserve.
We are now on a boat. We had a little bit of a rush happening where we reached Periyar slightly late, so we quickly ran for lunch. And now we rushed to the boat so we could make the 3:30 boat, which is the last boat to see wildlife. Then we have to wear this gear, this huge contraption. It's what is what we are wearing. We're about to get started now. Let's go. I'll tell you a little bit about our experience here. When we tried to get seats on the top level, it was then whilst we were on the boat that they told us that no, for the top level you have to book your seats in advance somehow magically, but we don't know how yet. We're going to try and figure that out for tomorrow morning's boat ride. Overall, it's a very nice boat ride if you want something serene and calm on the reservoir. But if I had to give it a rating and say how did I like it, I would probably give it a 6 on 10 because first of all, when we got onto the boat, they didn't tell us that we had to book separately if we wanted the upper level, and on the lower level you're restricted to one seat. So whichever seat you are in, you're not allowed to get up, you have to sit in that seat. Yeah, overall I would say it was a pretty okay ride for me. The place, however, where we're staying, Aranya Nivas, is actually very beautiful, and we have a lovely suite room which we'll take you around and we'll show you around in there. I would still recommend come here. It's a once in a lifetime experience, but don't be disappointed if you don't see too many wild elephants or wild animals. We didn't get to see that much, a few storks, a few birds and a couple of deer and bull, but no tigers and no elephants for us unfortunately this trip. Hopefully tomorrow.
So we are staying here at the Aranya Niwas KTDC resort in Periyar, and I just wanted to show you guys the room. So let's go.
Hi, come on in guys. So here we have a deluxe room with spacious sleeping for 3. Hey Zareen. Hi. So we've got an extra bed there for Zareen for the night, and we have a dresser table here. The bed is extremely spacious and nice. The room is well done, tastefully done with some mint and ivory. Over here we have a seating space. Oh, and we have a visitor. Look at this monkey. He's looking in. Hello, monkey. Hello there, sweetheart. Hello. Oh, he's not interested. So this is our seating space in our living area that overlooks the pool. And back to our room. So we have the standard television with a dresser, with the cupboard and space for your luggage. And over here is a really lavish bathroom. So you got your standard toilet and a wonderfully big shower with a lovely shower head, big shower head. And you have your basin space. And Ajay is pooped from the day, so he's taking it easy. Hello, monkey. Hello. Hello. Hi. See you there. See you here in this. Can you see the monkey? He's looking at the camera. Look at that. See the monkey here? Hi. We are just gonna have a little bit of a quiet evening, order some room service for a while because it's only about 6 o'clock. So we want to get a little bit of rest in because we've been traveling all day. The restaurant overlooks out onto the jungle and to parts of the lake in the reservoir. We have stopped by at Abraham's Spice Garden and he is being kind enough to take us around. It started in 1952.
Spice grandfather.
You know, this garden is very famous. It is selected by the BBC, one among 80 gardens in the world.
Wow, lovely.
There is a Robusta, Arabica, Liberia, different varieties, and only 3 genuine varieties in the world. Taste it.
Taste?
You can find the difference between a bay leaf and
so this is the
tejpata and
leaf he's saying we should taste.
Very sweet.
It's like sugar. It's literally like sugar.
It's sugary.
It's cinnamon.
If not sweet, not cinnamon. Cinnamon is always sweet.
You know, this is what they make chewing gum from, that cinnamon chewing gum.
Amazing.
Big red.
Yeah.
Oh. It's absolutely amazing, no?
Yeah, it is.
It tastes like
that chewing gum,
like
you get cinnamon chewing gum.
Between cinnamon and
spearmint.
Right.
It is the macadamia nuts. Macadamia. The most expensive nuts.
Yeah.
Oh wow, I can smell hot.
It's hot. It is hot. You touch.
Amazing.
Wow, it's so fresh. Smelling so fresh.
40 rotation.
for to clean the cardamom pods. If only you could smell this.
This is only. You see, this is the hot room.
Hot room.
The heat. We burn firewood in the.
Wow, it smells lovely. Eucalyptus. I smell eucalyptus.
No, it is cardamom.
That's cardamom only.
See, it is hot.
Yeah, the whole room is hot.
We burn firewood in the outside furnace.
Oh, wow.
And the heat comes through these iron pipes. And the air in the room becomes hot.
Oh.
That hot air is directed through this using exhaust fans.
Okay.
And in this cardamom is sprayed.
Oh, lovely.
500 kilo capacity.
500 kilos. Just put your hand just like this in the door. It's just amazingly warm. Don't go in, na?
No, you can go.
It's so strong. The aroma is lovely. Zareen, your favorite, no? Cardamom. We just saw the cardamom room. That aroma. I wish I could transport that to you all and so you all can know what that feels like. That was such an amazing experience. We got to see Mr. Abraham's spice garden, and it's just on the route to Periyar, about 6-8 kilometers away.
If you have a bit of extra time on hand, then it may be worth coming here.
If you like this video, please let us know by clicking that like button down there. And if you want to talk to us and start a conversation, make sure you write in a comment. If you really love us and you want to show us some love, subscribe to our channel and make sure you hit that little bell button, because it tells you every time we have a new video to upload. Two Roving Hearts here in Periyar, Kerala, and we'll hope to see you tomorrow for day 4. 4.
Thank you so much for being a part of this journey with us.
Two Roving Hearts out.
I just wanted to sit here.
So how do you like what you just saw? Yeah.
What is Ajwain called
Ajwain in English is what? We'll find out and we'll put that in the super.
Put it in the super below.
I forgot the name, but
Today is another exciting day. We are going to where are we going to? Okay, we are going to okay, I really forgot. So we're going to Periyar. So that happens sometimes when you're on the camera.
I'm trying to turn up the light.
So let me show you our rooms for today at Aranya Niwas. I'm just gonna flip the camera now. But how do I flip it?
You can't flip it.
Jasmine, this is a sound test.
Jasmine is pissed off. I'm not getting any of this, okay. We're taking a look and having a little bit of a walk around the pool, having a drink of water. You should not drink that, it's got chlorine. Still with you. Hi, husband.
So, welcome back. Oh, I'm getting confused.
It's okay.